Hi everyone, I am Soumya Jaswal and this is my project LangGraph Prospect Workflow. Yeah, it's an end-to-end AI powered system that automates lead generation, enrichment, outreach, and feedback learning using multiple agents built with LangGraph. Now moving forward to our project, this project is divided into modular agents inside the agents folder as we can see that, and apart from this, each agent is responsible for one part of the workflow like prospect search, enrichment, scoring, outreach, and feedback tracking. The main configuration is stored in the workflow.json file. Yeah, and the entire pipeline is orchestrated by the LangGraph builder.py file, which is there. Now moving forward, we can see that here the workflow.json file is been there, which gives our whole workflow, like each steps define which agent will run, what data flows between nodes, etc. Yeah, now moving forward towards node by node explanation in my project. Like in the workflow.json file, the first is the prospect search agent. Let me quickly walk through the agents. The first is the prospect search agent, which fetches leads based on company size, location, and industries, which can be seen here. And my second agent is that data enrichment agents, which adds more information like LinkedIn URLs, contacts, and company revenue. Now, my third agent is a scoring agent, which ranks these leads using simple scoring logic to find the most valuable prospect. Now, moving forward for our next agent is that outreach content agents generates personalized outreach emails using the enriched and ring data. And moving forward for our next agent is outreach executor agent, which can be seen here. Outreach executor agent, which has the main work of simulates sending those mails. And another agent is outreach response tracker agent, which monitors responses like whether an email was opened or replied to. And the last and foremost agent which I have made is that feedback trainer agent, uses those responses to improve their future campaigns. Now moving forward for our next thing in that, the running of the project. Now we can run the project by giving a simple command python -m, then here like the project has been run successfully. All the workflow of the workflow.json file has been executed successfully, as we can see in the output in the terminal. Now as you can see here, the system loads the outbound lead generation workflow and execute each step sequentially, which have been mentioned in the workflow.json file. And these logs show how data moves through agents from prospect search to enrichment, then scoring, then outreach, send, response tracking, feedback, training. Now, for example, you can see the enrichment steps added later in the emails and LinkedIn's, scoring assignment ranks, and the outreach agents created personalized email templates automatically. Now we have design choices, as I choose LangGraph because it allows structure node based orchestration of multiple AI agents. Each agent runs independently. There is no need to be dependent on one another agent, and it also means new agents can be added later, like sentiment analysis or CRM sync, without changing the core design. Yeah. The output of our summary is finally the workflows completes and logs all the outputs, as we can see in the output screen, and I have also pushed it to the GitHub also. You can check it out there also. And all the workflow which have written and hardcoded in the workflow.json file has been working properly. And the finally workflow completes all logs, all outputs from prospect data to feedback recommendations. So this was the LangGraph prospect workflow from my side, an intelligent automation system for outbound lead generation. Thank you for watching.